So today I will talk about the concept of culture, which hereby we can understand one another. So the question of what is culture has been approached by many anthropologists in many different ways. So basically, culture is a combination of capabilities and habits acquired by men, including art, law, morals, custom, etc., as a member of a society. It is also the totality of learning socially transmitted behaviors. Obviously, that lists out much if we feel obligated to include all the ways of life involved by every individuals in a society. So, a particular culture would mean the total shared way of life of a given group, including the ways of thinking, acting, and feeling as reflected in their religion, law, language, art, and custom. Cultural anthropology is the study of culture, living and dead, including linguistics, the study of speech forms, archaeology, the study of the dead culture, ethnology, the study of the living culture or those that can be observed directly. So why study cultural anthropology? Ruth Benedict, another well-known anthropologist, um, said that the study of humanity from the Stone Age to the present is such a fascinating one of cultural growth. According to Tyler and Morgan's cultural development theory, each society have gone through three stages or steps: savagery, barbarism, and civilization. We are often reminded of another reason of studying cultures: to study and learn to use a foreign language effectively. Just knowing the language is not enough for meaningful communication. Secondly, we have to recognize different roles and other social variables such as age, sex, social class, religion, ethnicity, and place of residence, which would affect the way people speak and behave. Thirdly, we should recognize and realize effective communication requires discovering the cultural condition images of people when they think, act, and react to the world around. We should also recognize that situational variables and conventions shape people's behaviors in important ways. Understanding that people generally act the way they do would tell us that they exercising the way the options the society allowed for satisfying basic physical and psychological needs. Lastly, we would also develop the ability to evaluate the truth of a generalization about a target culture and to locate and organize the information about the target culture from books, mass media, people, and personal observations. Culture and society must coexist. Without living together, people cannot create a culture or a way of life. Large societies like Canada, the United States, India, or Egypt are multicultural or pluralist societies. They tend to have many subcultures too. Multiculturalism in human society is a fairly recent phenomenon. Those in multicultural environments must remember that discovering similarities among different people from different cultures is as important as identifying differences. So, in conclusion, we mustn't forget the contributions of thoughts and actions of individuals within a group.